Alright, so you got your Dazzle, and you want to have the splitters where you have 2 female and 1 male, and you need 3 of those. And what you do is you want to take one of them. This is the RCA cable. Plug the other end of this into your TV. Take one of the colors, plug it into one of the females. Then take your Xbox cable and plug the same color in with it. Just like that. Just like these are both yellow. And then you want to plug this in into the yellow on the Dazzle. And you want to do that with every color. Like this one's going to be white. And plug it into the white. And you plug this one in. And this one in. And then plug it into the red. Just like that. And then you take the end of the Dazzle, just plug it into your computer, and this should come with some software that you need to like put on your computer, and then you can start recording from there.